everyone. Today I'm presenting you a project about obtaining a Bistable property of carbon membranes. So this project is made for preventing a problem called cold welding, which occurs in space and have been problems since the first space launch. So our project implies creating carbon membranes that have two stable positions, one folded and one extended one. So eventually our product may be used in space engineering, as I said, for preventing cold welding instead of normal pivots.